Hello, creative coders. Welcome to our channel, Creative Coding. I hope you all are doing great. If you're new to our channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Shikhar Bania. I'm an educator, mentor, and a web developer for the past 3 years. You can find me on Instagram as CreoCodigo, where I post content related to web development, tips and tricks of various languages daily. So don't forget to check that out. And in this video, we are going to see a problem which are faced by many individuals at some point in their coding journey, and the problem is how to display an image which is uploaded on Google Drive onto your web page. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's talk about Newton School first. Newton School is a platform which provides individuals a career in tech. It has courses specially designed for freshers, individuals, working professionals, and even women who don't have any knowledge in tech. Around 300 companies hire from Newton School. And Newton School also provides a pay after placement policy under which you don't have to pay anything to Newton School until and unless you are placed with a bare minimum of 5 lakh CTC. Sounds great, right? Let's talk about another initiative taken by Newton School called Launchpad. So, Launchpad is for those who want to start their coding journey from scratch. It has all the courses that you need to start a coding journey like Java, Python, data structures, JavaScript, Node.js, SQL, you name it, they have it. And the main advantage of using this Launchpad is you get a certificate of completion, you get a developer community, you got the best instructors to teach you, you also got a hands-on experiences, and you will become job ready. And all of this Newton School is providing for free. Yes, so don't forget to check that out. Okay, so here we are in the code editor, and first let's understand what exactly the problem is. So we want to display an image on the web page. So I will write image tag. After this, I want to specify the source of the image, and let's close it. Okay, so this is the syntax of image tag. And to display an image, you have to provide the path of that image in the source attribute. Okay. So I want to display an image via the internet or using a link. So let's copy this image, copy image link, and then paste it inside the source. So as you can see, we got this image as the output. So the link that we have provided, this whole link, it is a unique ID of that image. Okay, so if I use this link anywhere, I will get this image as an output. So this URL is the unique ID of it. But let me show you the problem when I copy an images URL which is uploaded on Drive. Okay, so this is our Drive. Let me select this, right click, and you can see this get link option. Click on this, and you get the link of the image. So let's copy it, go to a browser, and let's paste it here. Okay, so I have pasted it, but as you can see, we got this image broken icon. Okay, that means the image is not present, or the file is broken, or it is some unsupported file. So why is it happening? I mean, we copy the image URL and we are pasting it, but still it's not working. Because when I click on this link, when I follow this link, it redirect us to the drive, not that particular image. Okay, and if I copy this image link and paste it in another browser, you see we got particularly that image. We are not redirecting to the Unsplash website, but in this we are redirecting to the Drive web page. But we don't want that, right? So there is a trick in if you want to use an image uploaded on Drive. Let me remove this link. So you have to type here something drive.google.com/uc?export equals to view and id equals to. So now we have to find that image's particular id. Okay, so when you copy a link from Google Drive, the part from this D till this view, okay, you see this collection of strings. This code is your unique ID for that particular image. Okay, so you just have to copy it and paste it after that ID. So now you can see that image. You have to just remember this part. This link allows us to display an image which is uploaded on Drive. Okay, so let me show you one more time. Let's say image src https://drive.google.com/uc?export equals to view, okay, and id equals to, I have to specify the id here. Okay, so let's go to our Drive and let's get the link of this image. Get link. It will generate a unique link for that, but exactly the unique thing is our code which is available between the D part and the view part. Okay, copy this, go to your web page, paste it. Now we got to see the second image as well. So this is the problem, and I hope you understood the solution. I really hope you understand the problem as well as its solution. Generally, it's preferable to use links of images that you want to display on website rather than using the local storage, because it increases the size of your project, and when you deploy your project onto a server, the website becomes slow. So it's preferable to use links or CDNs in your projects. So I really hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel if you want to see more valuable content on web development. Do follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. And don't forget to check out Newton School website to learn more about them. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.